Welcome to Cadillac 765, the channel where classic cars roar back to life. If you love the sound of American power, the beauty of vintage design, and the story behind legendary machines, you're in the right place. So hit that subscribe button, because today, we're diving deep into a true icon of 1950s luxury, the 1956 Cadillac Eldorado Seville. Now let's turn the clock back to a golden era. When you talk about Cadillac, you talk about the very definition of prestige, success, and status in mid-century America. And in 1956, Cadillac took that image and sculpted it into steel, chrome, and power, and named it the Eldorado Seville. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement. A rolling piece of art, symbolizing post-war optimism and the dream of the American highway. Let's start with the design. The 1956 Eldorado Seville stood apart with its bold, low-slung stance and sharp tail fins that hinted at jet age inspiration. Those fins, yes, the ones that became Cadillac's signature, started growing taller in the Seville. And that chrome. There was chrome everywhere, around the grille, the windows, the bumpers, sparkling like jewelry under the sun. The front grille was massive, almost smiling at you, with twin bullet-shaped Dagmars right below the headlights, a signature Cadillac touch that looked aggressive yet elegant. The roofline of the Seville was something special, a beautiful, sweeping hardtop design that made it look fast even when it was standing still. And the best part, this was the first year Cadillac used the name Seville, marking a major milestone in Cadillac's design evolution. Now, let's open that massive hood, because that's where the real story begins. Underneath sat a 365 cubic inch V8 engine, producing an impressive 305 horsepower, a monster for its time. This engine was paired with a Hydra-Matic automatic transmission, giving a smooth, effortless drive that perfectly matched its luxury image. It could glide like a dream on the highway, yet had the muscle to leave others in the dust when you stepped on the gas. And here's something that made the Seville truly special. Cadillac didn't just build this car for transportation, they built it for experience. Every sound, every vibration, every movement was tuned for comfort and sophistication. Now let's talk about the interior, because stepping inside the Eldorado Seville felt like entering a world of pure elegance. You were greeted by fine leather upholstery, power-adjustable seats, electric windows, and a signal-seeking radio, luxuries that most cars of the 1950s couldn't even dream of. The dashboard was a masterpiece of chrome and design symmetry. The steering wheel had that Cadillac crest that made you feel like royalty behind the wheel. Even the floor mats and door trims were designed to scream class. In short, it was the perfect combination of comfort, technology, and beauty, a luxury living room on wheels. Now let's not forget, 1956 was a year of style innovation for Cadillac. The Seville introduced new color combinations, gold tone emblems, and a unique deck lid script that made sure no one mistook it for anything else. It was the perfect mix of elegance and flamboyance, a balance only Cadillac could achieve. And let's talk about price. The Eldorado Seville wasn't cheap. Back in 1956, it cost around $6,500, a huge amount at the time. But that was the point. Cadillac wanted it to be exclusive, built only for those who could truly afford the best. Only about 3,900 units were produced, making it a rare collectible gem today. Even after all these decades, the 1956 Cadillac Eldorado Seville still turns heads wherever it goes. Collectors around the world hunt for these models, restoring them to their original glory. And when that massive V8 roars to life, it's not just a sound, it's history speaking. This car reminds us of an era when design was bold, engineering was passionate, and every drive was an experience, not just a journey. So next time you see a 1956 Eldorado Seville, don't just look at it as an old Cadillac. See it as a time capsule, a piece of American art that defined luxury for generations. Thank you for watching Cadillac 765, where every car has a story worth telling. If you enjoyed this ride back to the 1950s, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic legends from the golden age of American automobiles. Because here, we don't just show cars, we bring them back to life.